Have you ever sprayed foam insulation in your home? It creates a tight seal, but without proper ventilation, moisture and stale air can build up. That's where an HRV, heat recovery ventilator, or ERV, energy recovery ventilator system comes in. These systems bring in fresh outdoor air while expelling stale indoor air, and they help manage humidity levels. Setting it to 10 minutes an hour or using the eco mode ensures your home stays fresh, dry, and comfortable. Remember, regular filter maintenance is essential to keep these systems working efficiently. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.